If you need to check how your e-commerce business is performing, instead of opening a dozen tabs with a bunch of different logins, you could just open Knowi. Here I've got a dashboard showing a direct-to-consumer company running 4 snack brands. Everything you're looking at lives across 7 different platforms, but here it is on one dashboard. Let me show you around. At the top, in our first section, we've got overview of our orders. All of this data comes from Shopify. We've got some key metrics across the top, along with our weekly revenue broken down by subscription and retail. We could filter for one of our specific snack brands within each widget, or you could apply a dashboard level filter. You could also filter specifically for subscription or retail sales. Here's our AI recommendations widget. I've asked our AI agent to focus on insights to help generate more income and sales. So it's analyzing our Shopify order history and then finding recommendations based off of that. We've got our average order value by store, and you can click into each one and then see the weekly value. And our top selling products, color-coded by which brand they're associated with. And lastly, we've got weekly orders by store. Here you can click in to see various ones and also drag the x-axis to zoom in on specific time periods. Next, we've got our subscription information. This data comes from Recharged in Shopify. So again, we've got some key metrics for subscription sales across the top, our active subscriptions. Here we've got our cohort lifetime value widget. So this is showing new customers acquired each month against the lifetime value each cohort has produced. The subscriber cohort order activity shows us how many subscribers are placing orders in the first month of when they started their subscription, and then every month since. So it's a really good indication of potential churn, right? If you've got a lot of subscribers, but they're not making as many purchases, it indicates that they may be unsubscribing soon. So this is a really valuable feature of that Shopify and Recharge data integration join. And then another AI recommendations widget, but this time pointing to our Recharge and Shopify data together. And here we can see our new subscriptions weekly, along with the subscription share of revenue. Next is our marketing performance. This brings in a lot of different data sources, including Google Ads, Google Search Console, Klaviyo, and Shopify. We can see our marketing spend versus new customers that we've acquired to see if this really correlates. We've got our AI recommendations widget telling us ways to reduce spend. The lifetime value versus customer acquisition cost for each store is impossible to generate with any single tool because it's joining ad spend against Shopify customers to get true acquisition cost per channel. We can see our cost per conversion by campaign to see really which our ineffective campaigns are. And then we can also see our organic versus paid clicks. So looking at Google Search Console versus Google Ads and Klaviyo weekly engagement. Our last section here shows our reviews and customer support from Judge Me and Zendesk. So we've got our average rating and number of ratings. With the box plot, we can see the distribution of reviews. And if we click on one of the stores, we can then get all of these reviews in a grid listing with the lower ratings highlighted in red, so we can really zero in on what those are. We've got our monthly average rating for each store, and then a low rating word cloud. So for ratings that are 1 or 2, what were some of the keywords that popped up in these reviews? And for our support tickets, we've got our Zendesk ticket volume trend and our average reply time, as well as a full listing of our Zendesk tickets. So that's scattered data that we started with: Shopify, Google Ads, Search Console, Klaviyo, Judge Me, Zendesk. It's all in one place in Knowi.